Scene script. Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine a life where you're no longer clock watching, no longer worrying about the bills or the next paycheck. Instead, picture a life of abundance, a life where you're in control of your time and your wealth. This is financial freedom. It's not a myth, it's not a pipe dream, it's a reality for those who choose to seek it. The road to financial freedom, however, is not always straightforward. Many of us have experienced the struggle to make money online. We've spent countless hours, energy, and sometimes even our hard-earned money chasing the promise of online riches. We've tried every method, every system, every online course that promises to be the golden ticket to wealth. Yet, for many, the dream of financial freedom remains just that, a dream. The struggle is real, and it's not your fault. The online world is a labyrinth of information, a maze of opportunities, and sometimes a den of empty promises. It's easy to get lost, to get overwhelmed, and to lose sight of the path to financial freedom. But what if there was a different way? A way that bypasses the struggle, the confusion, and the false starts? What if there was a system that could guide you step by step on your journey to financial freedom? A system that doesn't require you to reinvent the wheel or figure things out on your own. A system that works, that's been proven to work, not just for the creators but for regular individuals just like you. This isn't just another empty promise, another shiny object designed to capture your attention and your wallet. No, this is something different. This is a system that's designed to empower you, to give you the tools, the knowledge, and the confidence to take control of your financial destiny. What if I told you there was a system that could help you achieve this financial freedom? A system called the Speed Wealth System. The Speed Wealth System is a game changer in the world of online income. It's a revolutionary approach that has turned the traditional concept of generating income on its head. You see, the Speed Wealth System allows you to generate multiple income streams online without having to waste your precious time on less effective methods. Imagine having a done-for-you marketing system that simply works. A system that you can switch on and watch as it does all the hard work for you. That's what the Speed Wealth System is all about. It's designed to free you from the drudgery of endless work, so you can enjoy your life without the constant worry of where your next commission is coming from. But what makes the Speed Wealth System truly stand out is that it's a shortcut. It's a fast-track ticket to financial freedom, without the need for years of trial and error, countless failed attempts, and the frustration that comes with trying to crack the code of online income. Before the inception of the Speed Wealth System, I was just like you, struggling to make ends meet, working around the clock, and on the verge of giving up. But I didn't. Instead, I decided to challenge the status quo, to turn the model upside down, and to break all the rules. After a long journey of experimentation and learning, I finally found the key to financial freedom. And that key was the Speed Wealth System. Now, I make massive commissions from multiple sources, both recurring and high-ticket, easier than ever before. And the best part? You don't have to go through the same struggle I did. You have the opportunity to duplicate my success, to download a $49 marketing system that could change your life. That's the power of the Speed Wealth System. So, if you're tired of spinning your wheels, of working tirelessly with little to no results, it's time to consider a new approach. It's time to consider the Speed Wealth System. Because, at the end of the day, the Speed Wealth System is a shortcut to financial freedom. Before the Speed Wealth System was created, the journey to online income was a struggle. This was a world where the path to financial freedom was akin to navigating a labyrinth blindfolded. The dream of generating multiple income streams online was often overshadowed by the harsh realities of time-consuming tasks, ineffective methods, and constant disappointments. In this world, I was just another dreamer, working tirelessly to crack the code, to find the secret to online wealth. I tried everything you could imagine, from affiliate marketing to dropshipping, pay-per-click advertising to content creation. Yet nothing seemed to pan out. I was on the brink of surrender, ready to admit defeat to the riddles of online income. But then, something changed. I found myself at the crossroads of desperation and determination. I took a step back, took a deep breath, and began to question everything. I turned the entire model upside down, breaking all the rules that had bound me in chains. I freed myself from the old ways, the old thinking, the old strategies. The result? An unexpected deal that I never signed up for. This deal was the birth of the Speed Wealth System. It was the culmination of years of trial and error, of relentless testing, of tireless figuring out. It was a challenging journey, a steep climb uphill, but every step was worth it. Every failure, every setback, every moment of frustration led to the creation of this revolutionary approach to generating multiple income streams online. The Speed Wealth system was my ticket to complete financial freedom. I went from struggling with my online income to making massive commissions from multiple different sources. Both recurring and high-ticket, everything became easier than ever before. And the best part? I achieved this freedom without working day and night, without sacrificing my life to the grind. Now, you have the opportunity to duplicate this success with the Speed Wealth system. This is not just a marketing system, it's a shortcut, a fast track to financial freedom. It's a chance to earn more, to live more, to be more. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey to the Speed Wealth system. You might be wondering, how does the Speed Wealth system work? Well, let's break it down, shall we? The Speed Wealth system is a revolutionary approach to online income generation. Instead of wasting time and energy on ineffective methods, the system uses a done-for-you marketing strategy that simply works. You don't have to worry about doing all the hard work yourself, it's like flipping a switch to turn it on. The beauty of the Speed Wealth system is its ability to generate multiple income streams. Just imagine having several faucets, all flowing with income into your account. This is not about putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about diversifying your income sources, so you can earn from different places at the same time. But how does it achieve this? The Speed Wealth system leverages the power of affiliate marketing. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. You promote products or services of others, and when a sale is made through your promotion, you earn a commission. The system is designed to capture high-converting leads and direct them to high-paying affiliate offers. It's a finely tuned machine that works round the clock, even when you're not. The best part? You don't need any technical skills or previous experience. The Speed Wealth system is user-friendly and straightforward. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to experienced marketers. But don't think for a moment that the system is just about making money. It's about achieving financial freedom. It's about breaking the chains of traditional income methods and embracing the future. It's about having the time to enjoy life without having to work day and night for your income. Now you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But remember, this system is the result of several years of trial and error, of testing and retesting. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven method for achieving financial freedom. The Speed Wealth system makes earning online commissions easier than ever before. With it, you can stop dreaming about financial freedom and start living it. Imagine having the ability to earn money online without the constant struggle. Picture a world where you're not bound by the traditional constraints of the 9-to-5 grind, where you're not shackled by the confines of a conventional job. This is the world that the Speed Wealth system opens up to you. The Speed Wealth system is not just a product, it's a revolutionary approach to generating multiple income streams online. It's a done-for-you marketing system that just works without you having to worry about doing all the hard work yourself. It's a system that frees you up to enjoy your life again, without the constant worry of where your next paycheck is coming from. Let's reiterate the remarkable benefits of the Speed Wealth system. Firstly, it enables you to earn more commissions without wasting time on less effective ways of generating income online. It's a shortcut to success that eliminates the years of trial and error that many of us go through in our quest for financial freedom. Secondly, it provides a sustainable and reliable income stream. With the Speed Wealth system, you're not at the mercy of a volatile job market or an unpredictable economy. You're in control of your own financial destiny. Thirdly, it's a system that gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. You can work when you want, where you want, and how you want. You can take vacations without worrying about the backlog of work waiting for you when you return. You can spend more time with your loved ones, pursue your hobbies, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life that are often sacrificed in the pursuit of financial stability. The Speed Wealth system isn't just about making money, it's about making a life. It's about breaking free from the old ways and embracing a new, more liberating approach to earning an income. It's about achieving total and complete financial freedom. Download the Speed Wealth system today and start your journey to financial freedom.